How do I reconnect to a lost screen, detached, missing socket? I had a screen session running on a home server. My workstation needed a reboot, so I detached and killed the terminal. Upon reconnecting to the server, I execute my typical. Huh? No, not a new session, gimme the old one. I know, I'll grab it directly. What's the socket name? Wait, what? I know I left it running. Where'd it go? Well, there's the process. But there's no socket to pass to screen. How can I reattach to my session?
Screen checks the FIFO socket whenever it receives a sickled signal. If the socket is missing, it will be recreated. So the solution is to find the process and send it sickled. On my Debian system, Screen appears to be installed as setgnu-tmp, but not setuid, so the first solution from the FAQ below worked. On systems where Screen is installed setuid root, this won't work, and you'll need to kill one of the child processes of the active Screen session to force the kernel to send the signal for you. This means sacrificing one of your Screen windows to reconnect with the rest. Choose wisely. From an archived Gentoo Wiki FAQ. Socket missing. Sometimes the socket of a still running Screen can be destroyed, though the actual process and all of its child processes are still running. Screen list will display no sockets found in a TMP-EU screens. Some handy instructions for how to recover from this, and a few other uncommon problems, at this URL, about 2/3 of the way down. Q. For some unknown reason, the FIFO in a TMP is screens. My name is gone, and I can't resume my Screen session. Is there a way to recreate the FIFO? A. Screen checks the FIFO socket whenever it receives a sickled signal. If missing, the FIFO socket is recreated then. If Screen is running non-setuid, the user can issue a kill chld screen PID directly. It is child on some systems. Screen PID is the process ID of the Screen process found in a PSX listing. But usually this won't work, as Screen should be installed setuid root. In this case you will not be able to send it a signal, but the kernel will. It does so whenever a child of Screen changes its state. Find the process ID, shell PID below, of the least important shell running inside Screen. The try kill stop shell PID. If the FIFO socket does not reappear, destroy the shell process. You sacrifice one shell to save the rest. If nothing works, please do not forget to remove all processes running in the lost Screen session.
Reconnect.